This is an essential oil experience, right? So why did I send you protein powder? Well, listen, we have to give our body the nutrients it needs. We have to give our body the foundation for success. And protein is the key to that. 45% of Americans use a protein powder. And doTERRA has made, to me, the best protein powder on the market. There are two whey-based proteins, vanilla and chocolate. There's also a plant-based protein made out of pea protein with the vanilla flavor. Protein's important because it helps us build muscles and repair the body as we sleep. It also helps to create enzymes throughout the body that work in all areas such as our metabolic system and our digestive system. And protein helps with energy cell production. Protein is essential, and it's really hard to get the amount of protein we need in our daily lives. The doTERRA protein powder has 21 grams of protein per serving. I've given you one serving. Mix it with regular milk or your favorite nut milk, or drop it in a smoothie. It'll help you stay full for longer and help your body to slow down the digestive process so you get all the nutrients. This protein powder is a simple addition to create the foundation we need to stay healthy. And it's also a great introduction to just let you know that doTERRA is more than just an essential oil company. We are a wellness company. We have supplements, nutritional foundations, cleaning products, personal care items, and so much more. So enjoy the protein powder. We'll be chatting soon.